What if you could save $1.5 million on shipping while cutting delivery times in half? Discover how ShipBob makes this possible. ShipBob is an end-to-end fulfillment provider, handling everything from warehousing to returns with 99.8% of orders shipping on time. Imagine integrating your store with all major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and TikTok, seamlessly managing your inventory in real time. With 50-plus fulfillment centers across 6 countries, ShipBob ensures your products reach customers faster, reducing shipping costs and transit times. Our place saved $1.5 million and cut delivery times from 5 days to just 2.5 days by expanding their warehouse network with ShipBob. ShipBob's accuracy rate in fulfilling orders is an impressive 99.95%, making it the #1 best overall fulfillment solution of 2024 by Retail Tech Breakthrough. From health and wellness to apparel and accessories, ShipBob partners with top brands like Bloom Nutrition, 100 Thieves, and Touchland. ShipBob's streamlined process. Connect your store, send inventory, and relax as we handle picking, packing, and shipping for you. With 50-plus integrations and a developer-friendly API, ShipBob makes it easy to integrate all your tools and scale your business effortlessly. Logistics is something you never think about until it stops working. With ShipBob, it never does. Join the ranks of satisfied clients like Dossier and Vision Investments.